Hey there, art friends. If you've been dreaming of a fancy tabletop filming setup like the canvas light, but the price is way out of your budget, I've got a low-cost alternative that's both effective and super versatile. I'm not gonna lie, that canvas light is beautiful. I was definitely influenced and wanted one for myself, but the price point was just too high for me to make it work. So instead, after lots of looking around and researching options and trying to find a dupe, I came up with this setup. A clip-on ring light arm that attaches securely to my desk, paired with a mag-safe phone mount. It's affordable, easy to use, and solves so many filming challenges. Let me show you why this is such a game changer. First, because it clips directly to your desk, there's no worry about the weight of the lamp and it stays sturdy and secure. I've seen some people that have had issues with that before. Need your workspace back? No problem. The adjustable arm lets you swing the light out of the way when you're not filming, so it's very convenient. And because it is USB powered, it's easy to plug in when I need it, and I can free up the port when I don't. It's perfect for keeping my desk setup tidy and functional. On my setup, I swapped out the standard phone mount for this MagSafe one, making it even easier to snap my phone into position for filming. Plus, the MagSafe mount ensures everything stays aligned for those perfect shots. And here's the best part. This entire setup is a fraction of the cost of a high-end solution. You get great lighting and flexibility without breaking the bank. So whether you're filming tutorials, making art time lapses, or just capturing your creative process, this setup has got you covered. Give it a try. Let me know how it works for you. Budget-friendly doesn't have to mean compromise, and this little setup proves it. Happy creating!